Pistachio ganache praline with touch of cinnamon stick and honey. Really amazing combination. We will do the video together and you will love it. The combination of the texture. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry chef over 30 years. You will find all kind of art, pastry, bakery, ganache, sugar, 35 years in cruise line all over the world in this channel. Let's start by spraying this ganache, 100 gram cocoa butter 45 centigrade. Then we added 10 gram chocolate color. We blend it with hand blender. Then we strain with cloth. And then we tempering 29 degree. We spray in 8 millimeter airbrush. We can give it 2 or 3 layer to have the right amount of shiny you want. And then we cover with white spray, 100 gram of cacao butter, 10 gram of titanium oxide or white color. Then we do the same. We strain in the cloth and then we make it as you see, spray. I leave it overnight. And second day, I tempering chocolate, white chocolate, 29 degree. I fill the mold with piping bag as you see. Then I shake it from the bubbles. I leave it 50 to 60 seconds, maximum 70 seconds. Then to have the thin layer of chocolate. This is very important to have a light shell of the chocolate. Then you can make full filling. As you see, I shake it to take all the bubbles and then I remove the extra. Upside down the mold, I remove the extra chocolate. So you must work in room temperature between 18 to 22. And then I keep it upside down for 3-4 minutes to strain all the excessive chocolate. And then we'll be ready to the filling. Let's make the filling. It's so easy. 500 gram white chocolate. I use Valrhona. You can use whatever you want. Then 250. This is what I want to tell you. 300 gram fresh cream, 2 cinnamon stick, 140 gram pistachio paste. By the way, in the channel you can do pistachio paste. 45 gram honey. I would like to use plain natural honey. I bring it to boil with medium temperature so it allows the cinnamon stick to infuse with the cream and pistachio. Never reheat the ganache over temperature. Just medium, leave it slow. Afterwards, when it starts boiling, you can cover to infuse over than 30 minutes. Then your ganache or the infusion will be ready. In meanwhile, I have 30 gram butter. I can add it the chocolate as you see. I mix it all with even cinnamon stick. After that, I can remove. While it's hot, I already close the heat. Now you have dissolved all the chocolate. You can use also hand blender, but I wait until to become 30 degree. And then I added my butter. Now you have amazing chocolate filling. I added little bit of green color so it match the combination. Then I fill all mold as you see. I leave 1.5 millimeter to cover with the chocolate. The chocolate is so easy if you know exactly the sequence to make it. You shake it all stable, then I cover with the chocolate, of course tempering chocolate. I like the combination when you make white chocolate shell and then you cover with dark chocolate 55%, and that give nice combination. Sometimes when I have feeling like that, I give 2 layers of chocolate. So first time I just shake as you see, and then I feel it need after 5 minutes another layer, so to make it nice. So you can make it from 1 time or 2 times, don't be shy. With the practice you will be a fantastic professional. Here we go, we keep it in the fridge 15 minutes and you have the most amazing pistachio bonbon. Please leave comment, and if first time, make like.